Let me introduce myself. My name is Cynthia Ismarni Sinaga from TBI1 5th semester. Okay, our material today is greetings and leave taking. Mempelajari greetings atau sapaan dan leave taking atau pamit atau untuk mengakhiri percakapan itu sangat penting untuk kehidupan kita. Pengetahuan tentang greeting dan leave taking itu adalah basic pengetahuan yang harus kita pahami apabila kita ingin berbicara dengan native speaker. Oke, yang pertama greetings. The first one, greetings atau sapaan. Greetings is used when meeting or passing by other people. Greetings terbagi dua, namely the first, formal greetings. Formal greetings is used pada saat situasi formal atau resmi. Contohnya, the example is good morning, and then good afternoon, and then good evening. When you say good morning, the response is good morning. And then when you say good afternoon, the response is good afternoon. Begitupun sebaliknya. Okay, the second is informal greetings. Informal greetings is used when untuk menyapa orang yang sudah kita kenal tapi dalam situasi yang santai dan tidak resmi. Contohnya, when we say hi, the response is hi. And then when we say how do you do, the response is I'm fine, thanks, how do you do. And then when we say nice to meet you, the response is nice to meet you. Okay, next, the second is leave taking or parting, yang artinya itu pamitan atau saying goodbye untuk orang lain. Leave taking terbagi dua, namely the first, formal, and then the second, informal. Formal, the example is goodbye, nice to meet you, and good night. When we say goodbye, the response is goodbye. When we say nice to meet you, the response is nice to meet you. And then when we say good night, the response is good night. The second is informal. The example is bye, and then see you later, and then good luck, and then the last, take care. When we say bye, the response is bye. When we say see you later, the response is see you later. When we say good luck, the response is thank you. When we say take care, the response is you too. Okay, next, some things you need to pay attention in greetings and leave taking or parting relate to when to use it. Kalau good morning itu digunakan pada saat dari jam 12 malam sampai jam 12 siang. Kalau good afternoon digunakan pada saat jam 12 siang sampai jam 6 sore. And then good evening digunakan pada saat jam 6 sore sampai jam 12 malam. Kalau di Indonesia menerapkan sistem 24 jam, sedangkan di Amerika menerapkan sistem 12 jam. Untuk membedakan waktu, di Amerika atau Inggris, mereka menerapkan sistem AM dan PM. AM digunakan pada saat jam 12 malam hingga jam 12 siang. Sedangkan PM digunakan dari jam 12 siang sampai jam 12 malam. Maybe that's all my explanation about greetings and leave taking. Maybe you can use it in your life pada saat kalian sedang berada di acara resmi ataupun tidak resmi. That's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.